So how can you make a document in WhatsApp on the iPhone? And let me guide you through it. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, it depends on what you mean specifically, but when it comes to photos and documents within WhatsApp, you can always attach those. Like, of course, you open up the message thread and you can tap on the plus button and not only attach the photos, which will open up the gallery, and in here you can, of course, pick the photos and videos from your library, right? But you can as well click on the plus button and go to the document section. And this will let you pick from those other options in here. So you can go to the Files app, and in the Files app, you might as well have photos available, but these are stored somewhere else, right? Not in your gallery. So you can also import those, which are technically in the quote document section of the iPhone, because they are stored in the Files app. So if you mean that, you can always just, paste it or import the images from the Files app as well. And of course, it applies to every other document as well. So if you have like a PDF or a Word document, it's likely not going to be stored in the Photos app, but it will be stored in the Files app. So you can always just locate it in here and import it, whether, as I said, it's an image, PDF, Word, or whatever else. You always have the ability to like open it and share it through a conversation on WhatsApp. So that is, of course, one way to do this. But outside of that, you can always just locate that file specifically and directly there. So I would go instead of the Files app or a different file browser, and I can just always hold down on it, click on share, and I should also see the WhatsApp option right there. So this is basically the same thing, but from a different angle. So it depends, as I said, on what you mean, and if you manage to now do what you needed, let me know about it. Just hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials. But if I didn't cover what you needed, share your thoughts below, and it's possible I'll make an updated video about it. But thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.